We're learning how to do scatter plots today, and we're just really creating them. So our scenario we have here is a history teacher asked her students how many hours of sleep they had the night before a test. The data below shows the number of hours the students slept and their score on the exam. Plot the data on a scatter plot. And so we need to look at what is our x-axis, which is the independent variable, and what is our dependent variable or our y-axis. So for us, the hours slept is going to be the x-axis or the independent variable. And the dependent variable is going to be y, or the test score. And so what this table represents is a set of ordered pairs that allow us to plug the data. So here we go. If we had one student respond that they took 8 hours of sleep and got an 83 test score. So there's my 8. 83 is going to be a little bit closer to 85. So there's my first dot. Now my next one is 7 hours of sleep with 86 as the test score. And then I have 70, let's see, 7 again, but this time that was only a 74 for a test score. Had another 8 hours of sleep when we get to 88. And you can see that I don't have precise markings for some of these, and I have to do a good judge or estimate of that. And we had a student sleep 6 hours and got a 76 test score. And then another student had 5 hours and got a 63 in their test score. It's a little bit more than half, right about there. And then 7 hours with 90. That one lines up really nicely on a grid line, but most of these did not. And then 4 hours of sleep, only got a 60 on their test. 9 hours of sleep, and they got an 89. And 7 hours of sleep, we had a student get an 81. And that's how you create a scatter plot. You're just taking your pairs of data, your x and your y, and you're putting a dot where that matches up. And we're going to learn more about how to interpret that in the future.